Alright, hello everybody, and welcome to the 4th Brevity Devlog. In this episode, we got a few things done. Actually, we got a lot of things done. First major thing, as you may see here, is our launcher. So, this is quite simple, just first version. Up here we have our main, which are all the good stuff happens. Console log, where you can see all the stuff that's happening. Bug report doesn't work yet, and the credits just shows credits. This is very work in progress, so don't expect this to be the final version. We also have a working login system, very secure. The password is hashed and salted and all that kind of cool stuff, so it is nearly impossible to hack. So anyways, you can register. For that, you do need a hash, which you can get from us. Also, if you are interested in beta testing Brevity, make sure to contact us either in the comments below or to our email, which I will put below in the description. So anyways, you can log in, as well as we have over-the-air updating. So this is quite simple. Pretty much what we can do is we can release versions of Brevity, and they automatically get sent into the launchers all over the internet. So you may notice third one is gone. That's because that one did not work, so we had to remove it. But anyways, yeah, you just select the latest one, download that, you can play that. So yeah, that's that. It does take a while for Brevity to launch from the launcher, so I'm just gonna pause and I will be back once we are in the game. Alright, so here we are inside the game. At first glance, nothing really new. Nothing new with the map, all that kind of stuff. But we have gotten dragons and moves done. So for the ability for you guys to see it, so I can prove it, we got the dragon inventory done. So, whoa. It's not completely done. As you can see here, there still need to be the item slots. Gotta get most of the functionality for the items in, but that's quite a bit advanced. So the way this works is pretty much lists of all the dragons here. Still have to add pages, icon, all the information, as well as level and the stats. Now these stats are fully customizable, so every time they level up, he's not leveled up, but I just gave you guys 5 so you guys can see. Well, gave it 5 so you guys can see. You can level up his abilities. So health gives you 5. Health goes up by 5 every time. Mana goes up by 5 every time. Strength goes up by 3. So pretty much this will allow you to create fully customized like dragon names. As well as we have the moves here. We have the attack, which has a brand new icon, as well as the tornado and the cosmic shield. And I believe there is also stomp. This is very work in progress. It's not that good. But yeah, that's all the moves and stuff we have now. We also have Drogo, Aaron, Cosmic Fury, Modus. All these textures are work in progress. And the final thing we have to note is the dragon team up here. So this is the dragon that you fight other people with. The way you can switch those out is you go to the dragon that you want, and then you pretty much just click the icon, and it will switch the two out. So there we go, and then we can like put Aaron in here, or let's go double Drogo. So yeah, that's that. As well as we have dragon battles. So this is our NPC here. He has the same AI as the good one currently, but he's evil. As you can see, he's got a different icon up here. And if we hit Q, he gives you a message. I hate you, let's fight. So right now you just have to right click on the mouse, and it brings you to the battle. Of course, the first dragon comes out here, the first dragon for the enemy comes out. Of course, you can see these are very work in progress. The reason these are this way is because I had to round them to integers, right? So they are not very exact. We'll find out a fix for that, but right now that's just how they are. So pretty much, you have to note the mana, and what you can do is click on any of these to activate the moves. So for example, Tornado does quite a bit of damage, as well as I got the animation working, at least for this dragon. I think these took away all the mana, so anyways, attack for the other guy, which is right click, and then we can't do that anymore because we are out of mana, so attack takes none, so we just have to attack. As you can see, the animation for the enemy is not done yet. So anyways, if we take him out, it gives you a message, you beat me, press Q to continue. Right now they just disappear, but there will hopefully be options to repeat the battles, of course, because you might want to level up your dragons by giving them experience, so you of course have to repeatedly attack. So that's that, as well as this thing down here. As you can, hopefully you can see my mouse cursor. If not, look at the bottom left. There is a coin icon with a 0, so we basically added coin functionality. This is for the shops that are coming in the next week. In fact, we already have the base code for these shops done. Here's a simple shop texture. This is not our own, I'm just going to admit that here. This is from an open game art texture pack. So anyways, as well as a tree and pretty much all of these, because we are actually working on a Brevity tile set, but these are just to be able to see what's going on in the game, right? So anyway, shops are coming, as well as a few smaller just commands, such as C, to be able to see all the collision in the game. Here you can kind of see how it works. Basically, all of these solid blocks have these rectangles. Player has a rectangle. If he collides, he can't move. So that's really basic. There's not a lot to that. As well as for the beta testers, because this game is oriented around those, you press B. If you find a bug, you enter the description, right? And you enter your name, and it will automatically save it in a bug file that you can send to us. So that is all for this devlog. Thank you all for checking out this episode, and be sure to check back next week for our next Brevity update, as well as checking out other cool content on the channel. Thank you everybody for watching, and I will see you all next time.